Ladies and gentlemen, please make your way to your seats. The show is about to begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Today we are making fish and stir fry. So Clay and I went to the store and we found this super amazing fish. Ta-da! For this recipe, we have medium ginger. We have medium onions. You can use red, you can use white. You have 1 large tomatoes. Lemongrass or tanglad in the Philippines. This is how we call it, tanglad. We have half a teaspoon of black pepper. I have, half a teaspoon of dill and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, okay? Now with here, I have a tablespoon and a half of salt. Because the reason behind it is I want to lather it, like, season everything, all right? And of course, my lemon together, just like so. Surprisingly, I'm not putting any chili flakes, but yeah, let's just do it like that. Mix it in here. Yeah, and just use my super amazing lemongrass. I'm starting with a fish, guys. Fish. So now I am going to season it. Season it, just like that. All right. Season the outside. Season it. Okay, and then we'll add the tomatoes. It's really good. And then the onions. And more seasoning, never ending seasoning. And the ginger, it's like a sandwich. It's like we're making sandwich here. Oh gosh, can't forget my tanglad, amazing tanglad. I use this also for my barbecue. Gosh, love it. And for my lemon, we're gonna section. Yeah, boy. Super duper good, you guys. Amazing, amazing. All right, so we're gonna transfer it here. Oh, look at that. Gosh, I promise you, I wish you can smell it. The lemon, the pepper, the dill, ginger, garlic powder, and tomatoes and onions. Amazing, just full of amazing. I'm gonna wrap it. Perfect. So hi guys, so now we are done with the fish. We are just preheating the barbecue. For our stir fry, I just grab whatever's in the fridge. So what I have here, you can actually just change it. If you don't have green beans or you can use snap peas. No mushrooms, that's totally fine. If you don't have zucchini, that's totally fine. You can add, and if you have zucchini but you have carrots, then that's better. Or not better, but good. If you have celery, if you have whatever you have. Now, actually, this is our favorite. This is called Chinese cabbage or Chinese cabbage. It's really, really good. And also, if you don't have this, you can use bok choy. You can use sayote or chayote squash. It's really good too for stir fries. So with here, I'm using green beans. It's really, really skinny. So you can it'll cook really fast. So I really don't worry about overcooking them. Some snap peas because I have a few, so I'm throwing it in there. And then I have a slur, half a cup of chicken broth. I have 2 teaspoons of oyster here and a dash of sugar. And then I have the seafood medley here. Okay, come on guys. If you don't like seafood or you're allergic to seafood or you prefer chicken instead of seafood, go ahead. Or or maybe you only like shrimp, go ahead, or pork, do whatever you want. Or also, if you don't want to put any meat, then that's totally fine as well. Your world is your pickle, my friend. So now we're gonna start cooking.
What kind of bees make the best milk? Boobies. What kind of fish eats mice? A catfish. What did the pirate say to everyone that was getting sick of his fish puns? I should really scale back.
Oh, you suck!
The fish.
No, fishy boy. Bye.
A few moments later.
I wish you guys can smell it. Oh, yakasha. Oh, look at that. Careful, babe. That's right. All right, let's go inside. Shut it, babe. So cold. Hi, so this is the finished product of our stir fry and our lemongrass fish barbecue with lemon and all the goodness like tomatoes and onions and ginger inside it, and the best rub for your fish barbecue. Mikey loves the squid. Look at that goodness there. How pretty. And this is really flavorful too. Daddy can cut that. Can take the holy
Oh,
smokes.
that was such a clean.
But I want. Looks like salmon, huh? Go eat it with tomatoes.
What do you think?
That's good.
Man, it's really
The
good.
best cook ever.
I wouldn't mind a little bit.
Okay.
That juicy eyeball.
Mom said that we get to stay up and play games. I'm okay with it. Ho! Ho!
Alright, show them that you're chewing it. Chew it.
No, I'm not showing them. I can't.
Ah, is it gone? All right.
Good job.
Yeah.
No.
No, I want. So gross. Oh yeah.
Okay, show it to the camera.
The vein.
Show it to the camera. That juiciness. All right, show us how you do that.
Show us how you eat it. Now my sister is too slow, so she wouldn't do it quick enough.
Yeah, I did do it quick enough.
And you chew.
Ew.
And you chew. And it's gone.
Okay, Gabe, you're the.
Wow.
Hey, I don't have it. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, comment, and like, and